These are the Swingarm Spool sliders I purchased. It looks like they also go with the Kawasaki ZX6R or 636 and also for BMW. So they are 8mm Swingarm spool sliders. Let's open this and see how they look. Package already looks like it's open. That's how I received, but I didn't care how bad they are. They look good. Finishing looks nice. And you also need a couple of dabs of blue Loctite for this installation. This spool slider kit came with the two spool sliders, two Allen bolts, and two adapters and a couple of washers. But the instructions I received on this package says that the washers will sit between the swing arm and the spool only in case of BMW S1000. So I decided not to use the washers that I received for my application. This one takes a 6mm Allen key to torque it. And there is also an additional tip inside the package. For 6mm applications, use 8 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty much close to hand tightening, or you can use your own torque wrench to measure that up. And it also says to use blue Loctite. Further ado, let's go to the motorcycle and install these. Apply the thread locker, couple of drops. Hand tighten it a little bit. Repeat the process on the other side. Apply the thread locker. Finger tighten it. And 6mm Allen key. Eight foot-pounds is what's recommended. I guess that's pretty much it. That easy. All in all, if you have all the tools ready, it takes you less than 5 minutes to set it up and install these things.